Namaste. How are you?
I'm very good. Yeah, how are you?
I'm also good. Okay, now sit in any comfortable position. On a mat, close your eyes. Sit straight, keep your spine, your neck straight. Just take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Prepare your body, prepare your mind for today's class. We will start our today's class by chanting one time of Om. Take a deep breath in. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Drop your both palms. Apply your face, apply your eyes, apply your whole body. And gently bow down your head towards God. And while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Now come into tabletop position on your mat. We will start with some little bit of warm-up, 10 tabletop variations. We'll start with cow and cat pose. Inhale, look up. Make an arch on your spine. Roll your shoulder, open your chest. Exhale, look down. Make a hump on your back. Push your shoulder blades away from each other. Protract your shoulder blades. Inhale, again, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, again, look up. Exhale, look down. Neutralize your spine. Now inhale, raise your right arm by the side. Exhale, drop your right hand under your left hand. Now drop your right shoulder on the mat. Inhale, lift your left arm up and open your chest towards the left side. Look at your left palm and hold. One, keep looking at your left palm. Take an inhale and with exhalation, twist yourself more. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your left palm on the mat. Inhale again, take your right hand by the side. And exhale, drop your right hand again on the mat. Now we'll change. Inhale, lift your left arm up by the side. Exhale, drop your left shoulder under your right hand. Inhale, right arm over your head. Look up towards your right palm and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your right palm down. Inhale, take your left arm again up. Exhale, drop your left palm down. Now tuck your toes, lift your hips up, come for the downward facing dog. Shake your knees one by one, bend your knees, shake your thighs. Properly touch your heel on the mat. Keep lifting your tailbone high. Now walk front and stand into Samasthiti. for sun salutations. We'll start with sun salutation A. Take 1 feet distance from a mat. Both feet together, stand into Samasthiti. Ekam, inhale, stretch your both arms over your head and come for Urdhva Vrikshasana. To exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Treni, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine, touch your fingertips on the floor for halfway look up, Ardha Uttanasana. Chatwari, press your palms and exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Shat, inhale, come up and exhale. Sapta, exhale, go down for Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hold 1. Look at your navel point. 2. Depress your shoulder. 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees. Again, jump front into halfway look up. Exhale, bend fully forward down. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, come back to the Samasthiti. Second round. Ekam, inhale, again raise your both arms up over your head. Do exhale, bend fully forward down. Treni, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha. Again hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees and jump front into halfway look up. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Third round. Ekam, inhale again. Arms over your head. To exhale, sweep your torus down. Treni, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees and jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round. Ekam, inhale. To exhale. Treni, inhale. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Exhale. Hold 1. Keep breathing. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth and last round. Ekam, inhale. Do exhale. Treni, inhale. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees and jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend down. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Sun salutation B. Ekam, inhale, bend your both knees, raise your both arms over your head. Come for Utkatasana. Do exhale, bend down for Uttanasana. 3 inhale, look front for Ardha Uttanasana. 4 exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. 5 inhale, Urdhva Mukha. 6 exhale, Adho Mukha. 7 lift your right leg front and bring your right leg front for warrior A. 8 go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. 9 inhale, Urdhva Mukha. 10 exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Sodasa, exhale, bend fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samastiti. Second round. Ekam, inhale, come for the chair pose. Do exhale, go for the forward bend. 3 inhale, halfway look up. 4 exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. 5 inhale, 6 exhale. 7 bring your right leg front. 8 exhale. 9 inhale. 10 exhale. Ekadasha inhale. 12 exhale. Triyodasha inhale. Chaturdasha exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees and jump front. Shodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up. Exhale back to the Samastiti. Third round. Ekam, inhale, again come for the chair pose. Do exhale, bend fully forward down. 3 inhale, look front. 4 exhale, jump back. 5 inhale. 6 exhale. 7 bring your right leg front. 8 exhale. 9 inhale. 10 exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. 12 exhale. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees and jump front. Sodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samastiti. Fourth round, again Ekam, inhale, come for the chair pose. To exhale, go for the forward bend. 3, halfway look up. 4, go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. 5 inhale. 6 exhale. 7 right leg front for Veerbhadra Asana. Us to exhale, go to Chaturanga Dandasana. Nava inhale, Urdhva upward facing dog. Dasha exhale, downward facing dog. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for Veerbhadrasana. Dvadasha exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Triyodasha inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Chaturdasha exhale, Adho Mukha. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees and jump front. Sodasha, exhale. Saptadasha, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. 5th and last round. Ekam, inhale, come for the Utkatasana. Do exhale, go for the Uttanasana. 3D inhale, Ardha-Uttanasana. Chatwari exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale, Urdhmukha. Shat exhale, Adho Mukha. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Now I inhale, Dasha exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now from here, we will continue where we have left yesterday. Yesterday, our last posture was Marichasana, the twisting pose. After that, we will jump for Naukasana, boat pose. Bend your both knees, jump front for the boat pose, Naukasana. Hediji, first jump into Dandasana. Now, lift your legs up, keep your spine straight, and look towards the ceiling. Hold 1. Try to keep your knees straight if you can. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now press your palm. Lift yourself up for Tulasana. Like this. And again drop down. Come for the boat pose. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again press your palms. Lift yourself up. Again drop your hip down. Third round. Come for the boat pose. 1, 2, engage your core. 3, keep your back straight. 4, and 5. Again, press your palm, lift yourself up. Exhale, drop your hip down for the 4th round. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, press your palms, lift your hip up. Last time, 5th round, 5th time. Again, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Press your palms, exhale, inhale, lift yourself up, and exhale, jump back to the Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, bend your both knees. Now jump out of your both palm. You have to jump out of your both palm for Garbha Pindasana. Now cross your leg. No. Hediji, not like this. You have to jump like this and drop like this. Now cross your hand one by one on your leg and cross your leg in front of your face and lift yourself up like this. Cross your feet in front of your face. Just cross it. Very good. Very good, Hiti ji. Very good, Catherine ji. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now open your legs for Tiddevasan, firefly pose. Open your legs. Now from there, come into crow pose, Pakasan. Try to cross your leg and come into crow pose, Kakasan. Very nice. And jump back from there to Chaturanga. Oh, be careful. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees. Again, jump front for Kurmasan and Supta Kurmasan. Jump out of your both palm again. Jump out of your both palm. Drop your hip down. Very good. Drop your hip down. And now take your one hand, one shoulder under your right leg. Right shoulder under your right leg. Like this. And left shoulder under your left leg. And then just straight your leg and flat yourself down. Try to keep your knees straight. Hold 1. Very good. 2. Try to reduce that hump from your back. 3, 4, and 5. Now cross your feet in front of your head. Cross your feet. Your hand should be there only. Just put your feet like this, cross. And then put your hands between your legs. Same position. You are in Kurmasan. Now just cross your leg in Kurmasan. Yeah, very nice. Now hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, press your palm and then exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Now bend your both knees. Jump front into Dandasana. For now we'll do Garbha Pindasana. Okay, cross your leg like this in Padmasana, lotus pose. You have to cross. Put your hand under your, between your legs like this. Both hands in your both legs. And try to fold your hand after that on your head. Very nice, Hedi ji. Catherine ji. If you can, it's okay. If you cannot, just make your Padmasana. You have to put your hand between your leg like this, like Hedi ji has done. Get the calf muscles and your thighs. Oh, very nice. Very good. Yeah. Now fold your hand towards the head. This is Garbha Pindasana. Yeah. Fold your hand. Fold your hand. Catherine ji. Put your hand more inside. Put your hand more inside. It's not going in.
I can't do it.
Okay. Now you can just lift in Kutkutasana. Press your palm and lift your hip up in Kutkutasana. If you can try, very nice. Try. Use your core strength. Lift your legs up. Do not let your knees go down. Very nice. Very good. Hold 1, 2, very nice. 3, 4, and 5. Press your palms, lift your Padmasana in the air, and then exhale, open your legs and jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees, jump front into Padmasana. Okay, now cross your leg like this, Baddha Konasana, and Grab your feet and you should turn your lower feet towards the ceiling like this. Turn your feet towards the ceiling. Keep your spine straight, elbow straight. Inhale, lift your chest up, and while exhalation, press your belly towards your feet and chest on the floor, chin on the floor. And hold 1, 2, keep rotating your feet, 3, side, 4, and 5. Inhale, again come up, don't leave your feet. Exhale, now touch your forehead on your big toes. Again, hold there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, lift yourself up. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Bend your both knees, again jump front into Dandasana. Open your legs, wide open. Grab your both big toes. Inhale, lift your chest up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bend forward from a hip joint and try to touch your belly first on the floor, then your chest, and at the last chin. So you will not have that hump on your back. Hold 1, this is Upavishta Konasana. 2, pull your toes in. 3, 4, and 5. Now from here, bend your knees, slightly come up and open your legs in the air. Try to balance on your hip and hold. Keep your spine straight. 1, pull inside. 2, 3, 4, and 5. From there, press your palm. Inhale, lift yourself up, and then jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees, and again jump front into Supta Konasana. Now lay down on your back. Grab your both big toes and open your leg. Yes, now try to come on your shoulders and touch your feet on the floor. Yeah, lift up more. Hediji, lift up more. Yeah, very nice. Come into Halasana, then you can come into Halasana, and then grab your toes so you can maintain the balance. Come into Halasana. Yeah, now grab. Yeah, now open your leg. Very nice. Hold 1, 2, this is Supta Konasana. 3, 4, and 5. Now swing yourself, come into Upavishta Konasana B. Balance on your hip. Balance on your hip now. Swing yourself up. See, from back only you have to swing and come in this B. This is Supta Konasana B. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from there only lay down in front. Lay down front for Upavishta Konasana A. No, Catherine ji, legs open, legs open. The previous we have done, yeah, this one. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now from here, press your palms, inhale, lift yourself up, and then exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Very good. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, bend your both knees and jump front. Now lay down on your back, exhale. Now bend your right leg and grab your right big toe for Supta Padangusthasana. Inhale, straight your knee, and with exhalation, bend your leg towards your forehead and try to touch your chin on your shin if you can. You can lift your head up towards your shin bone. Very nice. Hold 1, 2, keep your knee straight, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, straight your knee, put your head down, and exhale, take your right leg towards the right side, look left side. Do not let your left hip lifted. Put your left hip on the down, left leg on the floor, look left side. Hold 1, Padangusthasana B, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale again, take your right leg front. Exhale, touch your chin on your shin and release your leg. Now change your leg, bend your left leg and grab your left big toe. Now grab your left big toe. Inhale, straight your knee and exhale, try to touch your chin on your shin. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, put your head down and inhale, take your left leg towards the left side and look right side. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, left leg front. Exhale, touch your chin on your shin and release your leg down. Release your leg down. So from here, we will go into Chaturanga by Chakra Vinyasa. We also called it Chakra Vinyasa or Chakra. So what you have to do, from this posture, you have to roll yourself on your back and then roll towards the Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog and then downward facing dog. Roll on your back. Let's try.
Can you show again, please?
Okay. I'll show you again. So you have to keep your head straight. Don't turn your head left or right. Keep your head straight. So you are lay down. Just lift yourself up. It's okay. It's a first try. Come into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Bend your both knees. Again, jump front and lay down on your back. Now we'll do Ubhaya Padangusthasana. Bend your both legs, grab your both big toes, come into Halasana. It's like Halasana, but it's Ubhaya Padangusthasana. You have to grab your toes. Yeah. Keep your both feet together in this, both legs together. Now inhale, swing yourself up and balance on your hip. Balance on your hip. Very good. No. Catherine, no. See, grab your toes, swing yourself up and come in this like this. Yeah. Now keep your knees straight. Open your chest. Do not make a hump. You have to open your chest and hold. 1, keep your both knees straight. 2, 3, 4. Again, you have to roll back and come into Chaturanga. If you can roll, you can roll. If you cannot roll, Chaturanga, Chaturanga. The one we have done this before, Chakra Vinyasa. Yeah, you have to roll and come into Chaturanga. It's okay. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, bend your both knees, jump front and lie down on your back. Exhale. Now we'll do Urdhva Mukha Paschimottanasana. Both feet together, come into the position of Halasana and grab your both feet now. Halasana. Feet, full feet. Hold your feet. Both legs together. Hold your feet. Now swing yourself up again. Balance on your hip like this. Yeah. Now try to touch your belly on your thigh, chest on your knee, and chin on your shin. Like we do forward fold in sitting. Now we are balancing the forward fold up. Hold 1, 2, go as much as closer to your legs. 3, and bring your legs closer to your upper body. 4 and 5. Again, roll back and go into Chakra Vinyasa, Chaturanga. Very nice. Very nice. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Bend your both knees. Again, lie down on your back. Now, cross your feet like this. Keep your upper body down like this. Your out arch of the feet should be down on the mat, and your knees should be lifted. Now place your both palm beside of your both head and drop your palm on the floor. Palm on the floor like this. Now you have to place your crown head on the mat. Crown head on the mat. First, this we are going to do Setu Bandhasana. Now try to lift your hip up. Try to lift your hip up and balance on your neck. And keep your legs straight. Very good. ADG, push with your legs. Now cross your hand in front of your chest, or you can also place your palms on the floor if you want. Yeah, like this. Very good. Hold 1. Try Catherine ji, try. 2, forehead on the floor, crown head on the floor. 2, be careful. 3, lift your hips off from the floor. 4 and 5. Exhale, drop your hip down. Bring your head straight. Now place your both palms, come into Urdhva Dhanurasana. It is also known as wheel pose. Place your both palms beside of your both ear. And lift your hip up for Urdhva Dhanurasana, wheel pose. 1, elbow straight. 2, very nice. 3, 4, 5. Exhale, drop your hip down. Prepare yourself for the second round. Inhale again, lift. And hold. Again, we will do 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, drop your hip down. Now for the third round, again inhale, lift. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly sit down. Sit down. Now we will do the counter pose, Paschimottanasana. Both feet together. Grab your feet from out, or you can grab your toes, or you can interlock your wrist wherever you can reach. Lift your chest up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bend fully forward down and hold there for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now lay down on your back for Shavasana. Keep distance between your legs, palm facing towards the ceiling. Slightly chin in, your tailbone in, and just breathe. Calm your body. Relax your breath. Relax your muscles. Relax your heartbeat. Relax your mind. Just try to focus wherever you are feeling pain right now and reduce the pain from your inhalation and exhalation. Try to remember whatever practice we have done today. And for that, thanks God for giving us strength for our class. Let the thoughts come in your mind and let them go away. Do not stop. Do not stick to any thought. In our mind, there are millions of thoughts that are running, but you have to let them go. Just feel now that your body is relaxed, your breath is normal, your heart rate is normal. Now bring your awareness back to your body by moving your toes, your fingertips, and then turn yourself to the right side. Bend your knees, place your right hand near your head for pillow. Keep your eyes closed. Now press with your left palm and sit in any comfortable position. Keep your eyes closed. Now we will chant one time Om, followed by three Shanti. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palms together in front of the heart center. Rub your both palms. Apply your eyes, apply your face, apply your whole body. And gently bow down your head towards the Lord Shiva, who created this wonderful practice of yoga. While blinking, open your eyes. Namaste. Okay, guys, so if you have any questions, you can ask. If you have any query, you can ask us.
I had a question actually about the standing poses. Let me just find which one. When you do Prasarita Padottanasana,
Parasarita Padottanasana.
where you're
Yeah,
this one.
yeah.
After each variation, do you come back to Sanasita?
No, you have to continue from there only.
Okay,
You will not come
okay.
back. Yeah.
Okay, only because in the manual it said for some of them that you did come back, and so I just wanted to check whether we did or not.
No. You have
Okay.
to do the 4 variation and then you have to come back to Samasthiti.
Okay, great, thank you.
Catherine Ji, you have any questions? Any doubt you have? No? Okay, thank you so much, guys. Namaste. Take care. We'll see you on Monday. Okay. Take care.
Thank you.